How much money could you live off per month? Well, imagine earning that and not even having to move from your bed. Welcome to the wonderful world of dividend stocks. These stocks yield investors an annual, quarterly, or monthly lump sum relative to their stake in the company, and they can be a great way of taking off the financial burden in the long term. We're going to break down the best options on the market right now, so let's get into it. These videos take a lot of time to produce, so if you enjoyed it, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend to help us grow. The first stock on our list is an REIT that specialises in agency mortgage-backed securities. AGNC Investment Corp, ticker AGNC, buys and sells mortgages and has a current portfolio of $84 billion in securities, all of which are backed by the federal government in the event of a default. Despite seeing a decrease in their stock price over the last year, mortgage rates are still at an all-time low, and the 9.5% dividend yield offered could be enough to get investors on board. With over 500 buildings across nearly 40 states, real estate investment trust STAG Industries, ticker STAG, are really taking the market by the horns. Specialising in warehouses and light industrial properties, the company is renting out buildings at healthy rates and has a 97% occupancy, which is impressive considering the wider economic conditions. With a dividend of 3.4%, this could be a stock to run out on the road for. Speaking of the property market, one REIT that has deemed itself the monthly dividend company is Realty Income, ticker O. Owning more than 6,700 single-tenant retail properties across the US, Puerto Rico, and the UK, the company has established a stable and diverse business operation and has displayed consistency, paying its investors over 600 monthly dividends in a row. Realty Income is worthy of every investor's consideration. Motley Fool Stock Advisor is a roadmap to the stock market as a whole. The newsletter provides investing guidance and expert stock picks that have beaten the market, helping thousands of investors save both time and money when it comes to investing. With Stock Advisor, you will receive a monthly newsletter with stock market guidance and stock tips, around-the-clock monitoring and alerts, stock watch lists, trader education courses, as well as access to the entire portfolio of Stock Advisor picks and to the Motley Fool community. You can join Motley Fool Stock Advisor and receive top-of-the-line stock guidance sent straight to your inbox. New members will receive an introductory offer and will pay just $99 per year. Ready to learn more about Stock Advisor? Check out the link in the description for more info. While this may not be the last property-based dividend stock on our list, it's definitely one of the biggest. Green Realty, ticker SLG, is the largest commercial landlord in New York City, with nearly 80 buildings and more than 35 million square feet to its name. With a market cap of a staggering $5 billion, this stock has a clean, robust business model, and their 4.9% dividend yield could be stable for years to come. Investors should definitely keep an eye on the Big Apple. Another strong real estate investment trust option is Green Realty, ticker ADC. The REIT owns and operates over 1,400 properties across 49 different states around the country, with most of the properties representing freestanding, single-tenant commercial retail spaces. Having only just pivoted into the monthly dividend game, I think we can all agree 4.17% is a great starting point for investors of this stock. Despite the pandemic severely affecting their operation, Pembina Pipeline Corporation, ticker PBA, are well on the road to recovery. The Canadian company has transportation and storage capabilities for oil and natural gas operations, and has a steady source of revenue through its long-term contracts with businesses in the sector. With a steadily increasing stock price and a dividend payout of 5.8%, this could be a great stock to add to any portfolio. The final stock on our list is another REIT by the name Dynex Capital Inc, ticker DX. As an investor in both commercial and residential mortgage bonds and securities, Dynex were hit hard by the pandemic, but have since recovered from the fall, offering a dividend yield of 8.7% to shareholders. Q3 earnings announcements in the next few weeks will hopefully continue pushing their stock in the right direction, so investors should keep a close eye on their progress. So, there you have it, the best dividend stocks to buy right now. While not exactly a glamorous Wolf of Wall Street he who dares win strategy, investing in dividend stocks, albeit alongside a diverse portfolio, gives investors the best chance at securing a regular payment from their vested interests.